The square where sailors once kissed the shore goodbye, this grid layout was one of Europe's first examples of modern urban planning. This footage is available for licensing, link in the description. Alfama, once the heart of Moorish Lisbon, now home to Fado. Castelo de São Jorge was built by the Moors in the 11th century and conquered by Portugal's first king in 1147. Vasco da Gama Bridge. Stretching over 12 kilometers, it's one of the longest bridges in Europe. Gare do Oriente, a modern construction inspired by Gothic cathedrals. Parque das Nações, once an industrial wasteland, now Lisbon's futuristic district, was built for Expo 98. This was Studio Catalog Entry 1. Footage is available for editorial licensing. Check the link in the description or contact for bundle purchase.